26th of December, the death anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Born in Madhya Pradesh, Mahu on April 14, 1891, Dr. Ambedkar was the flag bearer of Dalit activism. On December 6, 1956, he breathed his last. As one of the two untouchable delegates appointed by the British to attend the Round Table Conference on India's constitution status in the early 1930s. He also played an important role in the discussion leading up to the independence. Through his work, Dr. Ambedkar uplifted not only untouchables but also other depressed classes of society. In addition, Dr. Ambedkar also worked to reduce social economical disparities in India. Along with many of his followers, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar impressed Buddhism on October 14, 1956. His admirers and followers believe his influence was as great as the Buddha, which is why Ambedkar's death anniversary is observed as a Mahaparivas Divas. Dr. Ambedkar fought tirelessly against social discrimination against untouchables and the other advancement of lower castes. On the 65th death anniversary of Father of Indian Constitution, let's recall some of his great quotes. A people and their religion must be judged by a social standards based on social ethics. No other standard would have any meaning of religion is held to be necessarily good for the well-being of the people. I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality and fraternity. I hope we can follow Ambedkar path for the equality, fraternity and liberty.
भीम, जय जोहार, आदाब, सलाम। मेरा नाम किरण मेहरा है। मैं इंडिया उत्तर प्रदेश से हूँ। बाबा साहब के वो महापरिनिर्वाण दिवस पे मैं कुछ उनके बारे में साझा करना चाहती हूँ। बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर ने दलित बौद्ध आंदोलन को प्रेरित किया था, साथ ही अछूतों को सामाजिक भेदभाव के विरोध में बड़े ही अभियान की शुरुआत की थी। श्रमिकों को लेकर, किसान और महिलाओं को अधिकार को वो लड़े भी थे और उनका जमकर समर्थन किया था। अम्बेडकर ने अपना पूरा जीवन जातिवाद और ख़त्म करने के गरीब, दलितों और पिछड़े वर्गों के लिए अर्पित किया था। माना जाता है कि इस कारण बाबा अम्बेडकर की पुण्यतिथि को महापरिनिर्वाण दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है।
आज का जो दिन है बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है, यानी बाबा साहब डॉक्टर भीमराव अम्बेडकर जिन्होंने भारत का संविधान लिखा है, उनका आज परिनिर्वाण दिवस है। मैं बाबा साहब के बारे में आपसे जो बात साझा करना चाह रहा हूँ वो है, बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर एक विधिवेता, अर्थशास्त्री, राजनीतिज्ञ और समाज सुधारक थे। अपने दलित समाज, मजदूर वर्ग और महिलाओं के प्रति सामाजिक भेदभाव के खिलाफ आवाज़ उठाई और अभियान चलाए। डॉक्टर अंबेडकर के महापरिनिर्वाण दिवस पर उन्हें श्रद्धांजलि। राष्ट्र के प्रति उनका योगदान बहुमूल्य और उल्लेखनीय है। वे ऐसे व्यक्ति थे जो समय से आगे चला करते थे। सामाजिक बुराइयों को दूर करने के उनके प्रयासों और उनके द्वारा शिक्षा को दिए गए महत्व का हम स्मरण करते हैं। डॉक्टर अंबेडकर दलितों और शोषितों की आवाज़ बन गए थे। उनकी सोच और आदर्श हमें समानता और आधारित समाज बनाने में मार्गदर्शक रहे हैं।
Ambedkar was more than a Dalit leader or a passionate advocate for social justice. His ideas as an evolutionary thinker are critical for comprehending essential political notions such as citizenship, liberty, equality, and justice. B.R. Ambedkar's main philosophical preoccupation was how to achieve democracy in a society that is already torn apart by caste hierarchy and communal discord. Dr. Ambedkar was a staunch advocate and a champion of minority rights. He stated that the state's judicial power would be vested in Supreme Court of India, and he also stated that no religion should be treated as a state religion and that all citizens should be allowed to live in any part of India. He claimed that minority status should be granted solely to those communities that endure greater disadvantages regardless of their numerical size. And as a result, he argued that the scheduled castes be granted minority status as well. A critical examination of Ambedkar's essays on states and minorities would indeed aid us in comprehending the significance and relevance of his writing to various communities and population in India, including women, scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, other backward classes, and religious minorities. Ambedkar contended that if the communal majority, rather than the secular majority, captures the state power, the democratic state must build a specific institutional mechanism to protect the rights of religious and social minorities. According to Ambedkar, the goal of democratic politics is to bridge the gap between the minority and majority communities. Thoughts and teaching of great men like Dr. Ambedkar may serve as a beacon of light for rational approach towards the problems of social injustice and inequality, as nation building hopes and aspirations will not be realized until the rights of the underprivileged are protected.